In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable AI features. If you're just getting started with Airtable or looking to explore its potential, this guide will help you tap into the AI capabilities within Airtable, making your workflow smarter and more efficient. First, let's begin by opening a base in Airtable. This is your workspace, a place where you can organize and manipulate your data. If you don't have a base already created, you can start by either creating a new one or opening an existing base that suits your needs. Once your base is open, you'll want to add new fields to harness the power of AI. To do this, navigate to the top of your database and click on the plus sign. This will allow you to add fields to the table you're currently working on. It's important to clearly define your needs here, because fields are essentially the backbone of your data structure in Airtable. After clicking on the plus sign, you'll need to specify the type of field you want to create. In this case, type in AI to bring up the AI options available within Airtable. This is where the real magic happens, as Airtable's AI features can automate processes, enhance data insights, and improve decision-making. Next, you'll be prompted to select from different AI functionalities that Airtable offers. Take a moment to consider which AI feature aligns best with your task or project. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks or seeking to extract insights from your data, choosing the right AI function is crucial. Airtable provides a variety of AI tools, such as text classification or recommendation systems, each designed to make your data work for you. Once you've made your selection, follow the on-screen prompts provided by Airtable. These prompts are designed to guide you through the setup process of the AI feature. Pay close attention to these instructions, as they will help you configure the AI tool according to your specific requirements. This might involve defining parameters or setting criteria for the AI to process your data effectively. As you navigate through these steps, keep in mind some best practices to optimize the use of AI in Airtable. Always double-check your data inputs to ensure accuracy, and experiment with various features to uncover their full potential. Airtable's AI can streamline your workflow significantly, but understanding its capabilities and limitations will ensure you get the most out of it. By the end of this process, you'll have successfully integrated AI into your Airtable base, opening up a world of possibilities for data management and analysis. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the value these AI features can add to your projects. Thank you for joining me today to explore Airtable AI features, and I hope this guide has illuminated new paths for your work. Happy organizing!